Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Thursday, September 7th, 2023. EigenLayer releases an intro to EigenDA. RWA.xyz introduces the Tokenized Asset Coalition. WalletConnect releases the Modal SDK, and Base announces initial ecosystem fund investments. All this and more starts right now. EigenLayer released an introduction to EigenDA, its native decentralized data availability service. EigenDA will use the economic security and decentralization provided by EigenLayer restakers to deliver secure, cost-effective, and high-throughput data availability to rollups. EigenDA will mark the first actively validated service on EigenLayer. Actively validated services enable restakers to delegate their stake to participating node operators in exchange for token rewards. EigenLayer also shared technical details encompassing economic and security considerations. Unlike the traditional approach of requiring all nodes to download and store complete datasets, EigenLayer employs insured coding to fragment data into smaller units. As more nodes join the network, individual resource costs decrease, and network congestion becomes less frequent. EigenDA will also offer customizability, allowing developers to make trade-offs between security and liveness and select staking collateral, coding ratios, and payment token types. Actively validated services marks the final phase of the EigenLayer launch. The first phase, restaking, has been live since June of this year. EigenLayer is currently focused on deploying a node operator testnet as part of Phase 2. The project anticipates launching AVS on testnet by the end of this year. Once all three phases are rolled out and complete, restakers will be able to delegate their staked Ether to node operators. RWA.xyz launched the Tokenized Asset Coalition, or TAC, a group of companies that are committed to bringing real-world assets on-chain through tokenization. Coalition members include Aave companies Centrifuge, Circle, Coinbase, Base, Credix, and Goldfinch. The coalition aims to deliver educational content, advocate for asset tokenization, and drive on-chain adoption. The coalition will have a presence at several industry events and will host its own first Real-World Asset Summit on September 19th in New York City. Real-world assets are tangible assets that have the potential to be used as collateral, such as treasuries or real estate properties. According to RWA.xyz, over $4.4 billion worth of private credit loans have originated from on-chain protocols. WalletConnect introduced the WalletConnect Modal SDK, a new library that enables custom WalletConnect modals in iOS and Android apps. The SDK is ideal for advanced scenarios with user-managed connection strings. It also supports builds in Swift, Flutter, and React Native. WalletConnect also plans to release Web3 Modal, a feature-rich SDK with ENS resolution and support for injected wallets. And lastly, Base announced initial investments made from its Base ecosystem fund. The recipients include Oracle-based synthetic derivatives protocol Avantis, order book DEX BSX, crypto wallet Onboard, insurance aggregator OpenCover, on-chain publishing platform Paragraph, and financial oracle provider Truflation. Base did not disclose the investment amount. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us on Twitter at ETHDaily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.